continues last class only, like combined solid, we are going to do it. Okay. So combined solid. So this way the formula, I hope you all know the formula. So cylinder, so spoon, sphere. Okay, sphere is there. So a hemisphere was there. So cone was there. So I think you know all the formula. So 2 pi r s, 2 pi r plus s, pi r square s. Okay. So hope you all know the formula of this one. Okay, so I not go to that formula again and again. Okay, so let me not waste my time. Okay, so today's work. So maybe from tomorrow there will be no classes and all. Okay, so I up to the next notice. So let me give some works to you. Okay, so as I could there in a work timala, the thing which you have already learned. Okay, so find the CSA, grams curved surface area of the cone. So what is the formula of CSA of cone? What is the formula of CSA of cone? CSA of cone means what?
2 pi rx.
No. 2 pi RH, it is the formula of cylinder.
Pi rl.
Pi RL. Okay, so pi RL. That means we need R and L. Pi means 22 by 7. Okay. Radius, R means radius and L means L, lateral height. So this 12. 12 means H or L? Please respond me quickly, okay? So I've lot things to give you all. Okay, so this 12 is H or L? Tell me. This 7 is radius. This 12 is what? Is it H, vertical height, or L, lateral height? What is this 12 centimeter? Bole na.
L.
So this is the L. This is the L. Okay, this is the L. So this is the L, this is the R. So what is the formula? Pi R L. So use the formula, get the answer. Suppose this I have given, this I have done of question number 1A and 1C0. So let me describe you all. So it is pi RL, pi RL. So pi, we already got it as 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into radius. What is the radius? It is 7. Radius is 7 into what is the L? L is 12. L is 12. Okay, L is 12. So 7 and 7 will be cancelled. So 22 into 12, that will be a answer. Okay, square centimeter. So no need to find out H over here. Why no need to find out H? Because in case of CSA, do we need H? Height answer by RL. That means there is no H. Why to find out H? Okay. So vertical height, that means H is not required over here. Okay, so H is not required. So H lekhi rakhnu. Okay. So but if there is volume, H is required. So if there is LSA or sorry CSA or TSA, then what we need? So in case of CSA and TSA, we need L and R. Okay, lateral height चाहिए और को radius is needed. R and L is required. So in the similar way, this is also R, this is also L. So pi RL, use the formula pi RL and you'll get the answer. So this is a little bit confusing. That's why I've done this one for you all. So number C. So 1C. So what is it? 25 centimeter. Tell me quickly. 25 centimeter is what? Huh? Sorry. 25 centimeter. Second. What is this 25 centimeter? So in this circle from this point to this point, what do we call it? The line drawn from one point to next point. Hmm? In a circle, if a line is drawn from one point to next point, then what do we call it?
Diameter.
Diameter. That means from this point to this point, if a line is drawn, then that is called a diameter. Okay, so it is called diameter. So diameter is given. Okay, diameter is 25 given. So we don't need diameter. What we need radius. Okay, that's why radius r equals to, so radius is going to be the half of diameter. So diameter is 25. That means 25 divided by 2 garne. Okay, so this is 25. That means radius is half of the diameter. So 25 divided by 2, that means 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so we need L, lateral height. This is also the lateral height, slant height once I like. Okay, slant भनेको बाङ्गेको, lateral भनेको नि बाङ्गेकै हो. Okay, vertical height means the standing one. From the center, if it is drawn, then that is called the vertical height. Yes, बिचको लागि चाहिँ we call it H. यो घोप्टेको लागि we call it L. Okay, so L, lateral height is given how much? L is given 21. It is given 21. Okay, so CSE of cone equals to question mark. So here, so CSE of cone, here also what we need? We don't need H over here because CSE of cone means it is also pi RL at the H, but there is no H. Okay, so in formula there is no H, so no need to find out. Why to waste our time? So if you have already found out H, then also there is no problem. Okay, so H के मा चाहिन्छ volume मा, L के मा चाहिन्छ CSA and TSA मा. Okay, so if you are going to find out CSA and TSA, L and R is required. If you are going to find out volume, then radius and height is required. Okay, so height is required. Okay, so pi means 22 by 7. Radius, what is the radius? 12.5 is needed. Okay, into L. What is the L? Lateral height. It is 21 centimeter. Okay, so multiply this one, you'll get 825 square centimeter as your answer. Get it? So in this way, we need to find out question number A, B, and C. Number 2, if you see number 2, then you need to find out TSA. Okay, total surface area. What is the formula of total surface area? Please quickly tell me the answer. TSA of a cone. What is the formula of TSA of a cone? TSA of cone.
Pi R plus L.
Pi R plus L. That means here also H is not required over here. Okay, tell me quickly. So what is this 6 centimeter? Is it H? Is it R? Or is it L? What is that?
R.
6 centimeter. This is radius R. Okay. And what is this 8 centimeter?
L.
L. Okay. So this is L. This is R. So use the formula pi R bracket R plus L. And we know the simplification. We need to solve the bracket first. Okay. Pi R plus L. That means the R plus L is inside the bracket. Solve that plus first. That means bracket to number like solve गर्ने, then multiply all number, then you'll get the answer. Okay, board master yaad छ होला नि त simplification को BODMAS, that means bracket come first. So we need to solve the number inside the bracket first, then after that, so multiply the numbers. Bracket means, so after bracket ma k sign and that is multiply all the numbers, you'll get the answer. So in the similarly number C also, this is not the radius. Okay, this is not the radius, it is the diameter. We need to find out the radius first. That means radius means it is half of it, 21 divided by 2 garne. Okay, so it will be 10.5 centimeter. So this is the radius and this is the lateral height, L. This is the lateral height. Okay, so here also we don't need H. This is L, this is H, sorry, this is R. This is L. Okay, and this is R. Not R, this is actually diameter. That means radius will be half of this one. It will be 10.5. 10.5 centimeter. And H is not given. Okay, so H also we don't need because TSA my H signed in by R plus L. R plus L. Okay, so L is there, radius is also there. So radius is also there. Pi means 22 by 7. Just use the formula, get the answer. Okay, in that way, you need to find out the answer. Is that okay, all of you? Let me go, okay? Other numbers, in other numbers. Number 3, find the volume. Volume contain formula. Okay, so what is the formula of volume? Volume means it is 1/3 pi r. It is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, so in case of volume, I told you just before also, volume means we don't need L. L is not required. What is required? H is required. That means we need H, not the L. Okay, so if there is L, find out H. If there is H, then no need to find out L. Okay, so L is not required in this case. In case of volume, L is not required. Okay, in case of TSA and CSA, what is required? L is required. In case of volume, H is required. Okay, H is चाहिन्छ हामीलाई. So what is given over here? So it is it a L or H? From center it is running. So is it H or L? What is this 40 centimeter? Is it H or L?
H.
H. Okay, so H is given 14 centimeter. If it is running from the center, that is H. So here, what is this? Is it a radius or diameter? It is a diameter. Okay, that means radius will be how much? Radius is going to be the half of this one. So 15 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2 centimeter. That means it will be 7.5 centimeter. So use the formula 1/3 pi r square s, volume of cone. Volume of cone equals to 1/3 pi r square s. So use the formula and get the answer. Pi is 22/7. Radius is how much? 7.5 square. 7.5 square into height. Height is how much? 14. Okay. So multiply this number, get the answer. Okay, if there's any problem, you can ask me. And here, so in question number, this one, everything, I think it is normal question. So this is H. This is not L. If it is slanted, so if it is slanted, so if the numbers are slanted in this way, this is L. But here it is given from here to here. That means L line. This is the straight line, isn't it? It is a straight line. It is not a slanted line. If it was a slanted line, it is to write on like this. L. Okay, 21 but it is not L, it is H. It should be in the center. You see the line, you see the line. Okay, it is H. This is also H. This is radius. This is radius. Okay, slanted height, that means lateral height. L se esari lexa. Bangera. Bangera. Okay, so in this way we write down. But if there is H, okay, if you need to write down in this place, okay, so here so look at this figure. So L is written in this way. Okay, Bangara lexa. So 24 centimeter, it is the H because it is in the straight position. That means it is upright position. So from this point to this point, this is H, this is L. Okay, so in this way, so these are the values. So this is the H, this is the radius, and get the value of number 3 also. It is similar to the previous numbers. Okay, so number 4. So we have already done this chapter before also. That's why I have not given a prime focus in all the topics. So I think you can do it. So number 4. So find the volume of the given figure. Okay. So in case of volume, what we need? Volume ka formula mein kya chahiye? We need radius and we need height. R radius and H height. So is there radius given? So what is this 25 centimeter? Let us write it in the figure itself. So what is this 25 centimeter? Is it R, is it L, or is it H?
L.
L. This is L. Okay, this is L. What is this? 24 centimeter? This is H. So what is not required? What is not there? So there is no R.
R.
R is not there. That means we need R, we need H. L चाहिँदैन बरु. Okay, radius and height is required in volume. So what is the formula to find out this one? What was the formula? Do you remember? L square equals
H square.
L square equals to H square plus L square equals to H square plus R square. Okay, so use this formula and get the value of R first. L means 25. 25 square equals to H. H is 24. So the 24 square plus radius we don't know. So 25 square means it is going to be 625. So equals to 24 square means how much? So 576 plus R square. So this will go this side. So 625 minus 576 equals to radius. Or so solve this one and you will get the answer of radius. So there is R square. R square is there. And you need to do the square root of this number and you'll get the answer of this one. So 625 minus 576, it is going to be how much? It is going to be 49. And the square root of 49, you need to do the square root because the square will go this side, it will be square root of 49. So 49 to square root of inside, it is going to be 7. That means radius will be equal to 7 centimeter. So we got radius. Okay, after this you will get the radius. Radius will be 7 centimeter. So in case of volume, is it volume or what you need to find out? You need to find out the curved surface area and you need to find out the total surface area. So number 4. So you need to find out the volume of this number. Okay. So volume means we need radius and we need H. Okay. Radius we got 7 already and H is 24. Okay. So just use the formula now. Volume of cone equals to pi 1/3 pi r square H. Okay. And use the value and get the answer. Can you get the answer or not? Can you get the answer? So radius you got 7 centimeter. Height, what is the height in this figure? It is 24 centimeter. So volume of cone equals to 1/3 pi r square H. So 1/3 pi means 22/7. So radius is going to be 7 square and height is 24. So multiply this number, get the answer. Something square centimeter. No, cubic centimeter. Okay, it is a volume, that's why it will be cubic centimeter. Okay, so in this way, in the similar way, number 5 number, okay, so so you can do yourself now. Okay, so this is the diameter from this point to this point. A straight line is drawn from one point to next point. That is, it is the diameter. So from diameter, you need to find out the radius. So this is the radius will be 7 centimeter in this figure. Okay, so it is standing. So this is called H. Okay, so first I will find out L. Formula laउने L निकाल्ने. Okay, After getting the value of L, then use the formula. What do you need to find out? You need to find out CSA and TSA. Okay, CSA and TSA निकाल्नु भनेको छ. So radius र L चाहियो. Here also we need L. Here also we need radius. Okay, so radius चाहिएको छ यता. So निकाला तिम्रो. Okay, so question number 6A. The radius of the base. Radius is given. Simple question is here, right? Here is a simple question. Number 6A. I am doing number 6A. 6A. So radius is given 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Slant height is given 16. Slant height means it is L. 16 centimeter is given. And find the total surface area, TSA. Simple question. TSA of what? What is the name of this figure? Here the cone one is there. So TSA of cone equals to question mark. Okay, TSA of cone equals to question mark. What is the formula of TSA of cone? It is TSA of cone equals to TSA of cone equals to pi r plus L. Use the formula, get the answer. So very simple questions are there. Please do this as your work, okay, homework. Shall I go to the next number? Is there any problem? Today only nannies are there. There is no babus. Is there any problem, nannies? Shall I clear everything? Okay, so similarly, let us go to the next number. So CSA of this one is given and slant height is given. Find the height of the cone. Number 8A. So see the page number. You have already purchased the book, I guess. So 121, page number 121. You can see your book and you can solve it. So question number 8A. Okay, so look at question number 8A. Given. So what is given in this question? So CSA of cone is given 550 square centimeter. Then after that, what is given next? And the slant height is given. Slant height भनेको slant height is means what? Is it L, R, H? What is that? Slant height is 25 centimeter. It is L. So what you need to find out? Find out the height of the cone. Height of the cone, that means H equals to question mark. Okay, so before this one we need R also, because from CSA we'll get R. Okay, so here CSA of cone equals to, let me write down the number first, 550. Or what is the formula of CSA of cone? It is pi RL. It is pi RL. Equals to 550. Or, so pi means 22 by 7. 22 divided by 7 into radius. What is the radius? We don't know the radius over here. So into into L. L is given 25 equals to 550. So tell me, what is the value of radius quickly? Just keep R this side. R equals to 550. So 7 will go this side and it will be multiplied, divided by
7 centimeter.
it is 7 centimeter. Okay, so R equals to 7 centimeter, isn't it? Okay, so use a calculator, you'll get R equals to 7 centimeter. But we are not asked to find out the radius. We need to ask to find out the height. Okay, so if there is L, if there is R, if there is H, okay, then we have one formula. We cannot go for CSA, we cannot go for TSA. So तीनटा छ भने त हामीले अर्को formula लाउन सकिन्छ. कुन formula रे? L square equals to R square plus H square. Okay, use that formula and get the answer. So L square again. So let us start again. L square equals to H square plus R square. So L, what is the value of L? L is 25 square. 25 square equals to H. We don't have the value of H. So H square plus 7 square. So get the value, how much you'll get?
4.
Is it 24? 24?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in that way you'll get the answer. Okay. So question number 9 also, let us go quickly to question number 9 because we just have 7 minutes left now. 9 number. So TSA and CSA of the cone is given 704 and 550 square centimeter. So Jeff 704, it is TSA or TSA TSA value. CSA is almost 550. That means here I have written the given of this one. The value of H will be 24. Eh? So use the value. So crisscross and get the answer. Okay. So number 9A. TSA is given 704 and CSA is given 550. So find the slant height. Slant height means L. Okay, one thing you need to remember. So there is a relation between CSA and TSA. Okay, so TSA भनेको CSA plus base area हो. है TSA भनेको CSA पनि छ त्यहाँ. TSA मा total surface area मा curved surface area पनि हुन्छ. So if these two things are given, then radius, height, L, nothing will be given. Okay, so nothing will be given. You need to find out R, कहिले H, कहिले L के निकाल्नु भनेको हुन्छ. Okay, so what do you need to do in this case? So if TSA and CSA is given, okay, or the nothing is given, to L nikal bhanecha, radius now radius na ta ke cha. Okay, so if this is not given, then use this formula. Okay, so TSA ko formula laउने. So TSA of cone equals to, what is the formula actually? It is pi r plus L, isn't it? Pi r plus L. अब यसलाई के गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि यसलाई अहिले केही नगर. So just TSA of cone equals to pi RL, right? So let us multiply this one. So pi r into r into r, it is going to be r square. We are multiplying, eh? Let us multiply. So pi r into r, L multiply गर्ने, L multiply गर्ने. That is pi r into r into r, it is going to be r square. Plus अर्को pi r into L, it is going to be pi RL. Pi RL. So pi r into r, it is going to be pi r square. R into r square हुन्छ. Pi r into L, it will be pi RL. Okay. Or so what is the value of TSA? TSA is 704. 704. Okay. And pi r square. So let us write on pi r square on the early. Okay. So pi r square means pi r square. But pi RL, the formula. So where we have heard this formula, pi RL is the formula of what? Pi RL. It is the formula of what? What is the formula of CSA of cone?
Pi r.
Pi RL. That's why so pi RL is the formula of CSA. So instead of pi RL, let us write down CSA of cone. CSA of cone. Now after that, so what is the value of CSA of cone? CSA of cone ko value to kati cha? 550. Are you understanding or not? So TSA of cone equals to pi RL. So we have break that formula. Okay, we have broken that formula. Pi r into r, it is going to be pi r square, plus pi r into L, it will be pi RL. So pi r square la pi r square but pi RL, it is the formula of CSA of cone. So what is the value of CSA of cone? CSA of cone value 550 huncha. So let us take this plus this side. So let me copy this again. Okay, so let us take this number this side. So when plus go, this will be minus equals to pi r square. So let us change this pi also. Pi means it is 22 divided by 7. So pi means 22 by 7. So we have taken this plus this side. It has become minus sign. Pi means 22 by 7 into radius means r square. Okay. So subtract them. How much you'll get? Or so 704 minus 550. Please use a calculator quickly. 154. Now take this, multiply and divide this side. So into 7. Okay, and multiply will go this side in the form of divide. Divide by 22 equals to r square. Then how much you'll get?
49.
49. So
Yes,
it is going to
sir.
be 49 equals to r square. So r square means how much? I think you know it. So what is the square root of this one? 49?
7.
7. So in this way, we will get the value of radius. Okay, so what do you need to find out? What? So we are not asked to find out the radius. You need to find out the L over here. Okay, so you'll get the radius r equals to 7. I have skipped one line. Okay, so please write down 49 means 7 square, and square and square will be cancelled. So radius will be equal to 7 centimeter. वो त्यसरी लेख्ने ल. One line I have skipped over here. एक line मैले छोडे, एक line गरौँ ल. Okay, so but you are not asked to find out the value of radius. You are asked to find out the value of L, lateral height. L निकाल्नु भनेछ. So how will you get the value of L? Okay, we just have less than 1 minute. So के गर्ने त? So put the value. So which one is smaller? C